So you're all grown up now. Congratulations, you bought a home. Let's change the locks. This is going to be the first part of a series we're going to do on what to do when you buy your first home. Every time you buy a house, you're always going to want to change the locks. Even if the previous owners give you the keys, it doesn't mean you gave you all of them. Think about your house growing up. How many keys did y'all give out? Friends had them. Parents' friends had them. Aunt, uncle had them. Your grandma had them. Your crazy cousin Carl has them. You got to change them out as soon as you buy your home. So we're going to change this doorknob. Leads out to the garage, but it is an exterior doorknob, keyed the same as the rest of the house. We're putting in the Schlage smart key system so that we can make sure every key unlocks every door, and we'll also be going over that in a short video coming out soon. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the screws out of the latch. We're going to take the screws out of the strike plate and take the strike plate out. The next thing we're going to do is take the screws out of the actual doorknob itself. Then we're going to pull the doorknob apart, pull the latch out. Then we're going to install the new stuff in the exact same order, backwards. All right, let's get started. You don't always have to change out the strike plate, but as you can see on this one, just like the lock set, it has paint and stuff all over it. So we're going to change it out for new since this house just got purchased. When you take these screws out of here, you're going to want to hold the handle on the other side with your other hand because it's going to want to fall apart. Just like that. Pull it apart. The old lock is out. Take out the old latch. Exact same thing, putting the new one in reverse order. I recommend reading the instructions. This door is a 2 5/8, which is the most standard size bore depth. They do adjust if you need them to adjust. You push up on this pin, slide it back, and it'll make this longer to adjust to a longer door bore depth, but this is standard. Also in here, it's always going to be so that the striker side of the latch is facing towards the door jamb. You don't want it like this, slamming into the door jamb. You want it this way so it hits the strike plate and ramps off of it like so. If you put it the other way, no ramp. That's what allows the door to shut and then latch and stay closed. All right, we'll slide that in. All right. When you go to install the new lock, the keyed side is going to go to the exterior. The lock side is going to go to the interior. If you look in here, you'll see the half moon shape, and that also has a half moon shape. But inside this black tube, you'll see that it's shaped like an oval with a flat bottom. And inside of here is the locking mechanism, which is also shaped that way. So you need to make sure you turn it and hold it so that it's the same direction as this. So when you go to marry them together, it goes together. One trick for this is to put your finger on the back of the lock and just hold it still while you're messing with it, and then that won't move around. If I take my finger off the back, see that? Finger on the back, finger off the back. So we're going to turn it so that it lines up. Put our finger on the back and hold it. Then this should slide right in, just like so. And you want to do the exact same thing when you're sliding it through the latch. If you look at the latch, it has the same half moon shape in there, and that's the direction that it's going to go. I can't see it. There we go. Like so. Then you want to line this up with that again. Again, holding the back of the knob with my other hand. This is lined up with the half moon shape and the flat, and slides right in, just like so. From there, hold both sides of the door like so. Get your screws, get them started by hand, like so. Get the other screw, get the other side started. Tighten them up. Don't over tighten them. You want to just get them snug at first. Make sure that they work without sticking like that. All right. Now we're going to take the new strike plate that's clean. We're going to go with the assumption that the old strike plate worked and lined up. And we're going to start there by putting it in the same place, matching up the screw holes here. And then hopefully the new doorknob and the old doorknob are at the exact same height and depth, so that the strike plate doesn't have to be adjusted. But if it does, this is a good starting point. Tighten them up. If it doesn't line up, check our channel. We have another video on just adjusting a strike plate. That's like a 20-second video that can get it taken care of for you. Let's see if it works. That's another video brought to you by Your Homemade Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.